In this video, I am going to show you how to automatically highlight active row and column of a table easily and quickly. As you can see here, I am activating new cell and its respective row and column is getting highlighted automatically. So let's get started. Select your table range. Make sure first cell of selection is active. Press Alt OD key in series to bring conditional formatting rules manager pane. Alternatively, you can click home tab, then click conditional formatting, then click on manage rules and click on new rules. Then click on use a formula to determine which cell to format. Here write formula. Here write formula is equal to row C4, which is active cell in selection. Make this C4 relative by removing $sign. Bracket close equal to B1. Keep B1 reference absolute only. Click on format and in fill tab select your fill color. Click on OK, then click apply, then OK. Now if I manually enter a row value 4 in cell B1, you can see that fourth row got highlighted in table. Similarly, on entering sixth row got highlighted. Now we also want to highlight column of active cell. Again select table range. Press Alt OD in series. Here write formula is equal to column C4. Make C4 relative. Make C4 reference relative equal to B2. Click on format and select appropriate fill color. Now entering column number in cell B2. After entering 4, you can see fourth column, which is column D, got highlighted. Similarly, on entering 5, fifth column got highlighted. Now we want these two values to get auto updated when cell selection is changed. For this we need to write one simple VBA. Click right mouse button over sheet tab and click on view code. We will write code in my table module which contains our Excel table. Here from drop down select worksheet. Here worksheet selection change event subroutine will get generated automatically. What this subroutine or event means is auto run code which is written in this subroutine when cell selection changes, declaring variable dim table range as range. Here our table range is from C4 to K20. Setting table range equal to range C4 to K20. Here writing if statement. If not application dot intersect table range comma active cell then end if. Here writing is nothing. This line simply means when active cell is part of table range or present in table range. If active cell is present in table range, then write active cell row value in cell B1. Similarly, in cell B2, write active cell column value. Now, this code line will run when we select new cell. Come to Excel. Selecting new cell, here you can see active cell row and column value changing automatically after cell selection change. Now, if I select cells outside of the table, then no change will happen. Because in VBA we have written code only for when active cell is part of table range. So we have to also write code when active cell is outside the table range. We want to highlight to disappear when active cell is outside the table range. So here writing else case. In else case, we will clear or delete value of cell B1 and cell B2. Here you can hide these extra rows and columns to give professional touch. Now here you can see no highlighting taking place instead of clicking inside the table. This is because our event is got disabled. To enable event, go to immediate window in VBA IDE and write application.enable events is equal to true. Place cursor at the end, then press enter. Here you can see highlighting taking place. So this is very important to ensure event is enabled. Now disabling event, as you can see no highlighting taking place. Again enabling event, as you can see highlighting taking place. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then please subscribe, like, comment and share.